Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. Thank you for stopping by my channel. A few days ago I noticed I had a problem here at the house and I ordered something from Amazon that I think will help out. So we are going to do a product review. But right after the station identification. Alright, here's my situation. I have a storage room that's really full of junk, but when you turn the light on, the door's shut. You see, it's still kind of dark in here, and that's all we have to rely on is that little light up there. So it's kind of dark in here, you can see. Well, let's open it up. This is the LED deformable lamp. And it says it's quick installation. No wiring needed. So if you're not an electrician, this may be just the thing. Now this product is sold by a company called ACVCY Sport on Amazon for $29.99. Now if you are a Prime member, you can get it even cheaper. It says that it puts out 6,000 lumens. That's what first attracted me to it, because that's a lot of light. When a 100-watt light bulb only puts out 1,600 lumens. So you see, this is a lot more power. And this thing only uses 60 watts. So it's almost a no-brainer. 6,000 lumens with a 60 watt versus a 100-watt light bulb that only gives 1,600 watts. Let's open it up and see what we have. Well, it's pretty simple. It comes in a box packed, and there are 3 LEDs that are adjustable. So if you, and this is even better, it screws into a regular light socket, and it can be adjusted to turn where you want. Let's get a ladder and go install it and see how it works. All right, up on the ladder, I had to prop the front door. I had to prop the door open so it wouldn't be total dark in here. See how simple this thing is to install? It's easy as screwing in a light bulb. Oh wow, I'm impressed. Look, you can lower these things down. Hang, yeah. This is the way to go. Now, as you can see, a while ago, that thing did not, the light bulb that was in here didn't do too good, but this thing is awesome. See, it was like dimly lit a while ago. It's pretty bright in here now. And there it is. All right, I was more than surprised at what would happen with this thing. I wasn't expecting that much light. I'm just literally blown away. ACVCY Sport. I'll put the link in the description below. If you like it, be sure to tell them Carolina Tony sent you. For now, y'all have a good day.